Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to talk about dark knuckle remover and the way you can clear dark knuckle remover with serum. Here is a QI serum here. It's very good in dark knuckle remover and also dark spot remover. But please do not use it in your face. If you have dark spots in your face, it's only meant for body. So how you can able to use it to achieve dark knuckle remover: you apply it in the morning and in the night. After a week, you start seeing a mild peeling in your dark knuckle area. The peeling is not a bad peeling, it's a peeling that will help it to clear, and the more it's peeling out, the more you are seeing the lighten the dark knuckle area. And also within 2 to 3 weeks, you see the dark knuckle areas will be cleared out. If you want to continue using it, you can be applying it 2 to 3 times in a week to maintain the dark knuckle areas. And afterwards, if you wish, you can apply any hand moisturizer of your choice to keep maintaining it. So, and this syrup doesn't contain any harsh chemical on it. It's a very good syrup that you can use to remove your dark knuckle, and also it will not damage your dark knuckle area if you stop using it. So that is why I see it in a very safe side. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.